So today, to begin with, why we need inverse trigonometric functions. So ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು already we know about trigonometric functions, but why we need the inverse trigonometric function? Okay, so the answer is if I say x square plus 1 is equal to 0 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, what you'll do, you'll find the value of x is equal to plus or x square is equal to minus 1. That means x is equal to square root of plus or minus minus 1. That is x is equal to plus or minus I. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, what you are doing here, you're finding the value of x. Similarly, if I have a question, if sin x is equal to half, then what is the value of x? So how to find the value of x? Okay, for that we need inverse trigonometric function. To find the value of x, andre ಯಾವ particular angle alli kotta value satisfy agutte with respect to the trigonometric functions. So in order to solve the equations of this kind, we need the inverse trigonometric functions. Okay, hope the purpose is clear for you. So in order to solve, so if they give you, if sin x is equal to half, at what angle x becomes so that sin x becomes half. So in order to find all these things, we need inverse trigonometric functions. Now when I talk about inverse trigonometric function, you can see there is two parts, that is inverse and trigonometry. So first we need to know what is inverse functions. Okay, for that first you need to know what do you mean by function. So what is function? So function is nothing but a relation. Okay, a function. So those who have not gone through the relations and functions chapter, please listen carefully, at least you'll get a glimpse of it. Okay, so what is function? A relation. Okay, function is nothing but a relation from set A to set B. Okay, so f is from set A to set B. Okay, if every element of set A, okay, every element of set A, what do we call set A as? What do you mean by set A? How do we call set A? What is set A? Domain. Good Ankita, domain. Yes, so set A is domain. What is set B? What is set B? What is set B, students? Codomain. Good, Noor Fatima. Yes, codomain. It's not range, it's codomain. Okay, fine. So function anta yavaga helteve, it is a relation. What do you mean by relation? There should be a mapping from the set of elements from the domain to the set of elements in the codomain. Okay, but when you say that it is a function, if every element of set A, if every element of set A has one and only one image in set B, okay, one and only one image in set B, andre ಏನು ಇರಬೇಕು, domain set ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು elements ಇದೆ. You can see the example. I have given two examples. This is the first one, this is the second one. You can see in the first example I have put it as right. What do you mean by right? This is a function. Why this is a function? Because it satisfies the definition of the function. What is the definition of the function? Every element. Okay, what are the elements in set A? 1, 2, 3. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 are the elements of set A. Every element of set A has one and only, see, 1 is mapped to P, 2 is mapped to Q, 3 is mapped to Q. You can see that 1 has only one image, 2 has only one image, and 3 has only one image. Okay, only then we say that a relation is function. What is the condition? Every element should have a mapping. Okay, every element should have a mapping, but and it should have only one image, which means ಒಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ one ಅನ್ನೋ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಒಂದು ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಆಗಬಹುದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಎರಡಕ್ಕೆ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಆದ್ರೆ it cannot be a function. See here, this is not a function. Why it is not a function, students? Why it is not a function? Why it is not a function? Where we are failing? Which point of the definition of function is failed? In the second example, why it is not a function? Why it is not a function? Function should have only one image, but here Which element has two images? Yes, element 2. Yes, good students. So I hope you have understood. Element 2 has two images. What are the two images? P and Q. Correct? P and Q. Good, Veeranagowda. Good, everyone. Tasmiya, Dikshita. Good, good. So ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ಡೊಮೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟಿಗೂ ಮ್ಯಾಪಿಂಗ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಆ ಮ್ಯಾಪಿಂಗ್ ಒಂದೇ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಸೇ ದಟ್ ಅ ಗಿವನ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಸ್ given relation is function. Hope this is clear. Okay, now next, when we say invertible function anta helbekadre, we need to know certain concepts regarding to one function and onto function. Now when we say that a given function is one function yavaga one agutte, first one function ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಮೀನ್ ಬೈ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್? ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟಿಗೂ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟಿಗೂ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. Now when you say that it is one a function f is said to be one to one or injection. There is a spelling mistake. It is injunction. It is not injunction, it is injective or a function is said to be one or injective if and only if, okay, when it is possible, if and only if different elements in the domain, okay, different elements in the domain has different, okay, different elements in the domain have distinct images. You can see ಬರೀ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ನೀವು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತದೆ why it is one. ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ಇನ್ ದ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿತ್ತು? ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟಿಗೂ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್, every element in the domain should have a image in the codomain and it should have one image. But ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ 2 and 3, what are the images of 2 and 3? Both are Q. Okay, both are Q. But in order to be a one function, it should have distinct, which means different images. ಯಾವುದೇ ಎರಡು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು, ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಇಮೇಜಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. Only then we say that a function is one. To make it clear. ಈಗ ನಾನು ಮತ್ತೆ ನೀವು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, I am a teacher, okay, I am a teacher and I am delivering this lecture to everyone, correct? ನನ್ನಿಂದ, if I say the relation between me and you, it is like ನಾನು ಟೀಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನನ್ನಿಂದ ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಪಿಂಗ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಹೇಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಪಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನನಗೆ. ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್ ಆರ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್. ಅಂಕಿತಾ ಇಸ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್, Tasmiya is related, Veeranagowda is related, everyone are related, correct? But one ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ you know private tuition ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಬ್ರಿಗೆ ಒಬ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡುವಂತ, ಅಥವಾ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಣ್ಣ ತಂಗಿ, if you ask your sister to teach you, ಹೇಗಿರ್ತದೆ? ಅವ್ರು ನಿಮಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡುವಂತದ್ದು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಯಾರು? ಒಬ್ರಿಗೆ ಒಬ್ರೇ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇರುವಂತದ್ದು. Okay, one image. Okay, now to make it clear, here you can see there are certain examples. First example, if you take the example A, they have told it is 1. Why it is 1? First it is a function. Check whether it is a function ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಿರಬೇಕು? ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟಿಗೂ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇರಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದು ಒಂದೇ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್, ಇದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 1 ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟಿಂಕ್ಟ್ ಇಮೇಜಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ -2 ಇದ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಏನಿಲ್ಲಿ 5, 4 ಇದ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಏನು 0, 8 ಇದ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಏನು 12, 13 has image as the image of 13 is 18. So this particular function is 1. Now coming to the example B. Okay, example B, if you take, check whether it is a function. Yes, it is a function because all the elements have images. Correct? ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟಿಗೂ image ಇದೆ, but they have told it is not 1. Why it is not 1 students? Why it is not 1? Why it is not 1? See, example 2 has 2, which element has? Because it has 2 faces. 4 and 8 has same image. Good Faisal. 4 and 8 has two images, same image. Sorry, 4 and 8 has same image. Good Nitya Lakshmi. You can see ನಾನು ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ, 1 ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ every element should have a distinct mapping. 4 ಗೆ separate ಒಂದು element image ಇದ್ದು 8 ಗೆ separate ಇದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ then we could have told that this example is a 1-1 example. But ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ 4 ಇದ್ದ image ಕೂಡ 12, 8 ಇದ್ದ image ಕೂಡ 12. So 4 and 8 has same images. That's why this is not 1-1. Good students, good. I hope you understood the definition. Again, if you see graph wise, graphically ಕೂಡ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ಬರೀ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಪಿಂಗ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರು you should make sure you know the 1-1 function. So if you check the graph C, okay, C graph ಎಂದು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ you can see x axis and y axis ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾವುದೇ if you take any particular x, it has a particular y value, correct? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ x ಗೆ y ಎಷ್ಟು ಇಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. There is no repetition. But whereas if you take the example D, okay, if I take this value, this is some negative value, okay, this is some positive value, we can see that e values the eradu value ge you are getting the same image, correct? You are getting the same image, correct? You can see this has same image. So this is not 1-1, whereas this function is 1-1. I hope the 1-1 function was clear. Whether 1-1 function was clear? Okay, fine. So we'll move on. Okay, so okay, fine. Okay, so here you have 1-1 and many 1 functions. So here it is basically on graph, because now sin x anno graph, whatever the trigonometric functions we have, we define it based on graph ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ graphically ಅವರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. So here you can see this is a 1-1 function, because ಯಾವುದೇ x value ನೀವು ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು, whatever it might be, maybe it is a positive value or a negative value, you can find a unique image, correct? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ particular y value unique ಆಗಿದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. But which is this graph? This is a sin x graph, correct? This is a sin x graph. Yesterday we had discussed the sin x graph. But sin x graph ನೀವು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ you can see what is the value of sin 90 degree? Sin 90 degree is 1, correct? Sin 90 degree is 1. Again, what is the value of sin 450 degree? Again, that is also 1. So you can see, or you can go for 180 degree also. Sin 180 is 0, sin 0 is 0, sin 360 is 0, correct? So 3-4 element ಗೆ same image ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. So sin x graph is not 1-1 graph, or sin x function is not a 1-1 function. Sin x ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಆದಾಗ ಅದು 1-1 ಅಲ್ಲ. Sin x defined from r to r is not 1-1, because real numbers ತುಂಬಾ ಇದೆ, correct? There are many real numbers, and you can see that 0, 180 degree and 360 degree has and it continues, even 540, all these has same image. But to be 1-1 function ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಿರಬೇಕು, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದಕ್ಕೂ distinct images ಇರಬೇಕು. Every element should have a distinct images. That is not happening with respect to sin function, where the domain is r and the codomain is also r. So when you have multiple answers, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ನೋಡಬಹುದು sin 0, 180, 360, everything is mapped to one single element, that is 0. So we call such function as many one function, not 1-1 function. We call it as many one function. Why it is many one? Because ತುಂಬಾ elements ಒಂದೇ ಕಡೆ join ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. You can see if I draw this 0, 180, 360, and here it is 0. You can see 0 is mapped to 0, 180 is mapped to 0, 360 is mapped to 0. So many functions are mapped to one function. So this is a many one function. Okay, next. So whatever I had discussed till now was clear, right? Students, are you listening to me? Okay, yes, sir. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Next is onto function. Now, I have already defined the onto function in the functions class. I want you people to tell me why these two examples are, this example is an onto function, this is not an onto. Why it is so? why it is so. Yake hage? Why the first example is a onto function but the second is not a onto function? Why it is so? I need a reason. Nimige onto function definition gottide because I had discussed onto function in the previous chapter. Why first example is a onto function but second example is not a onto function? What is the reason? Two element having one image onto, not one onto. I'm not talking about one function. Definitely first example is not one. This is not one for sure. This is not one. I'm asking why this is onto, why this is not onto. What is the definition for onto function? Not onto because image C okay, every element of set B has to be yes, good Noor Fatima, good Tasnia. Okay, on what onto function says is the code in the codomain. Okay, codomain, every element, okay, every element in codomain, every element should be a image of some element in the domain set. Okay, listen carefully. In order to be a function to onto, okay, function onto ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೋಡೊಮೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಗೆ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಸಿ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, codomain ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ? codomain has two elements. What are those? A and B. So A is mapped to some element, correct? Similarly B is also is the image of 2 and 3, correct? B ಗೆ ಕೂಡ ಮ್ಯಾಪಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ, A ಗೆ ಕೂಡ ಮ್ಯಾಪಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ. So if you see the other example, codomain ಅಲ್ಲಿ you have three elements, A, B and C, correct? You have three elements. A is the image of 1, even B has mappings, correct? B is the image of 2 and 3 as well. But what about C? Correct? C is not the image of any element in the set. C has no image. Good, Saida. C has no image. Correct? That's why this is not onto. So in order to be onto, every element in the codomain should be an image of some element in the domain. Every element in the codomain should be an image of some element of domain. Okay, Artha, hope I was clear. Or in short, if I have to say, the codomain should be equal to range. Codomain should be equal to range. What is the range? What is the range of first function? What is the range of first example? Whether it is equal to codomain, whether range and codomain are equal. Range anta helidre mapping ಆಗಿರುವ, yes, they are equal because mapping ಆಗಿರುವ elements ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು range ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. And codomain is the entire set. Here codomain is A, B, C, but range is A and B. Okay, in the second example, range is set containing A and B, whereas codomain is set containing A, B, C. Okay, now whereas in here the range is equal to codomain. So in order to be onto the function, in a function, when we can see a function is onto, if range is equal to codomain. Range is equal to codomain. Hope this was clear. The definition was clear, right? Range should be equal to codomain, or every element in the codomain should be an image of some element in the domain. Okay, okay, fine. So we'll move. Okay, now, so why we wanted to discuss about one function and onto function? So this definition, when we say that a given function is invertible, actual definition in find out ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. Suppose f is a function from x to y, then if you can find a function g from y to x such that g composition f andre identity element in x, f composition g, if you find, it should be identity element in y, then we say that g is the inverse of f and f inverse can be written as g. This is what we have studied, one definition. But during composition invertible of a function, I had told you one more thing. Invertible ಯಾವಾಗ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? A function is said to be invertible if it is 1 1 and onto. So now you hope you know why we were discussing 1 1 function and onto function, because inverse trigonometric function ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ trigonometry ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು function. So ಅದು inverse exist ಆಗುತ್ತೋ ಇಲ್ವೋ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ we should be very clear about 1 1 function and onto function. Okay, so a function is invertible if and only if it is 1 1 and onto. ಎರಡು satisfy ಆದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ function invertible. Function invertible ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅದರ ಅರ್ಥ it is a 1 1 function, it is a onto function. So for 1 1 function we have one more name, that is injective. So what do you call onto function? What is the other name for onto function? What is the other name for onto function, students? What is the other name for onto function? Surjective. Good. Surjective. Surjective. Okay. 1 1 is also called as injective and onto is also called as surjective. So if a function is 1 1 and onto, what do you call that? If a function is 1 1 and onto, if a function is both injective and surjective, then we call that bijective. Good Ashwini, good Nitya Lakshmi, good Ankita. Bijective. Okay, fine. So I hope ಇವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ನಾವು ಯಾಕೆ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ನೋ ದ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ವಿ ಸೇ ದಟ್ ಅ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಟಿಬಲ್ if it is 1 1 and onto. Okay, so now coming to the sine graph. ಈಗ ನಾವು trigonometry ಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. Okay, coming to the sine graph. So they have given you the graph of sine function, correct? The graph of sine function. Why sine function is not 1 1? So sine function is defined. Okay, sine function is defined from R to R. Sin x is defined from R to R. So the domain is set of real numbers and codomain is set of real numbers. Okay, now you have to tell me. Okay, already it is visible on the screen why it is not 1 1 and not onto, but exactly they have not written what it is. Now you have to tell me, looking at the graph, why it is not 1 1. Why the sin x function is not 1 1. Why the sin x function is not 1 1. There is no distinct element for which where you can find common images, for which values you can find the common images, students. It has many zeros. Okay, 0. For what values you can find 0 as the image? For what values you can find 0 as the image? Sine 0 is 0. Good. Then sine 0 is 0. You can see sine 180 is 0. Good. So graph nodi, sine 0 value kuda 0. Sine 180 value is also 0. That is pi. Sine 2 pi is also 0. So you can see many elements are mapped to single element. Correct? That's why sine function defined from set of real numbers to real numbers is not 1 1. Why it is not onto? Why it is not onto? Why it is not onto? My codomain is real numbers. Okay, my codomain is real numbers. Why it is not onto, students? Why it is not onto? Since you told that you know the definition, why it is not onto? Codomain is set of real numbers. Okay, what is the range of sine function? What is the range of sine function, students? Yesterday I had given you, I had told you to take a screenshot also. What is the range of sine function? Sine function na value ellinda ellige vary agutte? From where to where the sine function varies? I can find 62 people in the class and only few are answering. Range of sine is -1 to 1. Good, good. So Elvina, Madiha, Mehektaj, yes, good. Good, students. So you can see range of sine function is minus closed interval -1 to 1. So -1 good Nisarga, -1 to 1 ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬರುವಂತ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರು sin function into range. But what is my codomain? Codomain is set of real numbers. Whether range is equal to real number codomain, whether my range of sine function is equal to codomain of sine function, whether it is true? No, good Elvina, it is not equal because range is a particular interval and codomain is set of real numbers, correct? So sine function is not 1 1 nor it is onto. But ನಾನು ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ, sine inverse ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಕು. We have to talk about the inverse of sine function, correct? Sine function inverse ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ, when we say that a function is invertible ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ what are the two conditions which need to be satisfied? In order to be invertible function, what are the two conditions that need to be satisfied? Yes, students, onto and 1 1 and onto. Yes, the function should be 1 1 and onto. Nan helide now sin inverse x, cos inverse x, we'll be discussing about all these things. But first function sin itself is not invertible because it is not 1 1, it is not onto. So how to do this? So how can we define inverse of sine? Hege define madodu? How can we define inverse of sine? Okay, how can we define inverse of sine? Okay, what changes if I do? ನಾನು ಯಾವುದು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಏನು ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನನ್ನ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ 1 1 ಮತ್ತೆ onto ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? What changes should be done so that my sine function will be 1 1 and onto? What kind of changes I have to do so that my function sine will be 1 1 and onto? ಯಾವ ರೀತಿದು ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, like where I have to make a change so that my function will be 1 1 and my function will be onto? So ಏನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? codomain change ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So I have to restrict the codomain. Codomain onto ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ first you think about onto. In order to be onto, range should be equal to codomain, correct? Range should be equal to codomain. So if I change my range, if I change my codomain, sorry, not range, if I change my codomain, correct? If I change my codomain to -1, 1, correct? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಹೇಗೆ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ? sin x was from, so till now it was sin x was defined from R to R and it was neither 1 1 nor onto. So in order to be onto, my range should be equal to codomain. So already I know the range of sine function. What is the range of sine function? -1, 1. Okay, these things are very important, students. Range of sine function is -1, 1. Okay, range ontoness confirm ಆಯ್ತು. Now how to make it as 1 1? 1 1 ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೇಗೆ? Here if you see, okay, if you see the mapping, if you see repetitions ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, correct? You can see the repetitions. Okay, so if you see the graph from -π/2 to π/2, correct? If you see the map, if you see the graph from -π/2 to π/2 and from π/2 to 3π/2, 3π/2 to 5π/2, similarly this side -π/2 to this one -3π/2. Okay, this is -3π/2, students, and -3π/2 to π/2, 5π/2. So if you see -5π/2 in the -3π/2, the same graph is repeated from -3π/2 to -π/2. The same graph is repeated, same ರೀತಿ graph ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ? -π/2 ಇಂದ π/2 ತನಕ, correct? You can see that. Can you see that the graph is almost same in this intervals, correct? You can see that, students. Can you see that? Can you see that, students? Yes. Okay, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ನೀವು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ, -π/2 ಇಂದ π/2 ತನಕ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಉಂಟು, ಹೇಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಉಂಟು, ಈ ರೀತಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ -1 ಇಂದ 1 ತನಕ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ತಗೋತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ π/2 ಇಂದ 3π/2 ತನಕ ನೀವು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ, π/2 ಇಂದ 3π/2 ತನಕ ನೀವು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಅಗೇನ್ the graph takes all the values from 1 to -1. correct? 1 to -1. ನನಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಅದು 1 1 ಆಗಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಸಿ 0 sin 0 ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಮತ್ತೆ sin π ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಬಟ್ ಇಫ್ ಐ ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ -π/2 to π/2, okay, if I just take the interval -π/, this is important, students, kindly listen properly. Okay, so if I consider the graph from -π/2 to, I'll repeat the graph. Okay, if you see the graph from -π/2 to π/2, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಆದ್ರೂ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಆಂಗಲ್ ಗೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ನೋಡಿ. -π/2 ಇಂದ π/2 ತನಕ ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಆದ್ರೂ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗುವ ರೀತಿ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ can you see anywhere the values of y is repeating? Where it is repeating? It is not repeating. sin 0 is 0, ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ 0 ಬರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ. then the value is constantly decreasing. as we move towards right, okay, ನಾವು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಗೆ ಬಂದ ಹಾಗೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇಫ್ ವಿ ಸಿ ದ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್, ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಇರುವ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಇರುವ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? Can you observe that? Can you observe that, students? Okay, so now what I'll do, in order to say that a function is invertible, I'll restrict my domain to -π/2 to π/2. 1 1 ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದಿತ್ತು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದಿತ್ತು. you can see -π/2 ಇಂದ π/2 ತನಕ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. but now you may ask, ma'am, even if you take π/2 to 3π/2, so if you take from I'll show it in some other color. so if you take from π/2 to 3π/2, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸಹ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? similarly if you take from 3π/2 to 5/2, ಅಲ್ಲಿ 5π/2, there also it is not repeating. why can't we take our domain as 3π/2 5π/2, or why can't we take it as π/2 3π/2? okay, all these things may arise. ಯಾಕಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ? see, you can take any values, you can take any of these intervals as your domain, any of these intervals as your domain, but there is something like standard. ನಾವ್ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ you have this standard values in physics, right? for g, acceleration due to gravity, you have 9.8 meter per second square, right? ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸೊ in order to be a function in sin function invertible ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ we restrict the domain as -π/2 to π/2 and codomain to -1 to 1, because ಈ ರೀತಿ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ sin function 1 1 ಕೂಡ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, on 2 ಕೂಡ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. so I can define sin inverse in the reverse order. sin inverse ಹೇಗೆ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? -1 to 1 to -π/2 π/2. and remember, the range of inverse function, the range of sin inverse function is important. okay, it is very important. okay, you can see the graph. You can see the graph. There are some more concepts which I have to tell you, so today I can't tell all those things, so we'll continue. You just remember why sin was not a invertible function, how we have converted it into a invertible function. okay, hope this was clear, students. hope this was clear. hope this was clear, students. okay, ಇಷ್ಟು ಹೇಳಿದ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ? ಇವತ್ತೇನೇನು ಹೇಳಿದೀನಿ ಅದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ? you understood everything, right?